Hello everyone. So if you want to know your Android phone's activation date, here's how to do that. However, keep in mind that this option will work only for those who had set it up their Gmail account and desirably on the first day of your usage. So let's open up our Gmail. Now make sure that this is the right account, so tap on it. As you see, I have many of them. So once again, make sure that you're using the right one. Press manage your Google account. And in here, we're gonna press on your devices. There we are. Now, locate your phone which you're using and which activation date you wanna know. For me, it's gonna be Google Pixel 9a. So let's tap on it. And now we have to pass a verification. I'll press OK. So now you are to enter any passkey or enter your account password. I'm gonna be using my account password because I don't have any passkey with this phone. So press try another way, press enter your password, and simply enter the password of your Gmail account. Now press next, and let's see the results. So as you see, the first sign in with this phone was on September 1. Also, you can see which browser, apps, and services were used with this phone. And basically, that's how you do that. You can check all the devices, activation date, by this menu. So simply choose your device and activate it. Basically, that is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.